All right. What's up, people? What's up, dudes? What's up, not dudes? What's up, people? This video, what I'm gonna have to do is, I'm gonna have to go ahead and dedicate this video to one Mr. Jeffrey Frye. And as far as I know, I think that guy is kind of, what's he doing now? He's being a magician? Wait, musician? I don't know. Those two things might be the same thing to me. So what is this video going to be about? Well, I got a challenge. And that's what I'm going to have to answer. Now, the way I'm going to answer it is I'm going to be very direct about this. And so this is like a higher level teaching, and this might even be a Buddhism 1001 video. Who the fuck knows? No, it's actually not. It's going to be just another video. Why? Why can't it be a really, really cool Buddhism tag video? Okay, listen. Everything that happens has a quantum. Now, what that basically means is that there's the smallest subset of everything. Okay, so now you want to look in here into yourself, and you want to understand that there is a quantum of self. Right? Once you get that, now you can call it all kind of different things. I'm not going to go into those because that would be problematic, because then we would be going down a rabbit hole and it's not really cool. But once you get that quantum of self and you understand it, then you understand that it is spread across dimensionality. What we in this universe call space-time. So everything is spread across, but see, that's where everybody fucks up. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you the secret teaching, and if you can take that, if you can understand that, you'll be better off for it. The secret teaching is this: all facticity, or all reality, or all things that are displayed, the mandala, this is done without any particularity of dimensionality. I know it seems contradictory. You're like, what the fuck? You just said it was all dimensionality, and then you said it's sans dimensionality. Yeah, that's what's known as non-dual. So what basically happens is that you have these bit parts. You could call them bit parts of reality. And when you view them a certain way, you could say they're separate. However, what happens is that they auto-organize. This is a process in Buddhism that is known as, you could call it Feng Shui, And you can go look that up, because I've done it enough that you should probably be able to figure it out. But it's basically the enlightenment, which is the Buddha nature. Just basically, you have all these things that you can think of separately, but they're connected. And the ways in which they're connected are spontaneous in the sense that, so for example, you have all the valorizations of yourself as a sentient being. And those run across multiverses. They are subsetted, which means they're kind of pinched off. Kind of like you would pinch off bread dough. You know what I mean? That's the way that they're subsetted. And then those subsets become universes, because the way the whole waveform works, or what do they call it? The wave function in quantum mechanics. The way that thing works is it basically kind of like it trivializes the noise. So there's a lot of noise in the background and it just kind of runs through. It kind of runs through and interferes. It's an interference phenomenon. So the entire reality that we exist in is similar to that. It's just on a different scale. Everything is fractal. Everything is real. Real doesn't actually mean anything, but then it means everything. So, like, look. I don't want to make this video too long. But if you don't get at this point what's really going on in the reality of this whole situation that we're in, you don't understand, why Buddha has 7 hells and 9 heavens and all that bullshit, and you don't understand why there's a myriad of worlds surrounding us, an infinite number of universes, then you just don't get it, because every little thing is connected to every other little thing. In a lattice, it's a lattice, Lattice. It's kind of like a, spider web, if you want to think of it that way, which is why the spider is a symbol of wisdom in all cultures. But who cares about that, right? Nobody gives a shit about that. This thing, if you really got it, if you really understood it, wow. I'm Superman. I need the sun. The sun helps me so much. But if you guys really got this shit, if you really understood what was going on, all my Buddhism videos should tell you, if I could throw cards down on a table and you would look at the array, you would think that there was no pattern, but that pattern itself is a pattern, and that's one of the patterns that created us. It is really that simple. It's not hard to understand because there's an infinite dealer. And once you get that, it makes perfect sense. But then you have to figure out what the fuck you're going to do with it.